I'm Tailspin96, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the iOS 6 Simulator Devlog series. In today's video, we're going to be changing the way animations work in the simulator. At the moment, we're using Unity's default animation solution, and while it is good, it's not really optimized for canvases. Each frame that an animation plays on a UI object, something happens called dirtying. This means that Unity is marking the object as needing an update, causing the engine to recalculate and re-render it. So we're going to be switching to a tweening library to help make this more optimized. The library we're going to be using is called LeanTween. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is install LeanTween into our project. LeanTween is available on the Unity Asset Store for free, so I'll leave a link in the description in case you want to use it in your own. So first thing you've got to do is go ahead, download it from the Unity Package Manager. And then import it into our project. Okay, so now that that's installed, we can get on with the next part of the video. And that is to update the main class and the app class to work better and be a little bit more optimized when launching applications. And now that that's done, let's work on converting all the animations into code. Okay, so all the changes have now been made. I also did a couple of changes off camera, and I will quickly explain those in this demonstration. So I've got the simulator started. As always, the first change that was made was the animations lock screen. So converting that from an animation clip to code, and it still looks good. But now that we've unlocked the simulator, you're going to notice a few different things. One being the background. Before it was bubbles, now I've changed it to the ripple background. I guess it doesn't really have a name, so I'm just going to call it ripples, which is actually the iOS 6 default. The next changes that I've also made is I've added the stocks app and also the reminders. So at the moment it's just the icons, no apps have been made, okay? That will come in the future. The final change I made was adding an animation that wasn't in the time lapse, it was left blank, and that was the app switch in. Now to demonstrate this, I have made some test apps. So settings is a white screen and Safari is a red screen. And now when I reopen settings from the app switcher, you can see it switches in nicely. The old app goes behind, and you will notice, and the old app was Safari. You'll notice that it also did get disabled. So it works as normal when changing apps or when launching apps, and it looks great. Honestly, it's just fun enough to just sit here and keep clicking between these apps because it just works so well. So that's it for this video. If you're enjoying the series so far, consider subscribing to the channel. It means a lot, and it's always good to see people interested in this project. Always feedback is appreciated, so feel free to leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!